today, pupunta tayo ng Kapitolyo, Pasig, Co-Create para umattend ng seminar workshop ng GoPro Philippines. So kasi nakita natin sa Instagram yung My GoPro Journey PH na parang pa-contest nila. So mga video montage using your GoPro. So nag-submit tayo, naka-receive tayo ng invitation, magkaroon ng chance sa awarding. Ayun, tara, samahan niyo ako mga paps. Just kararating lang natin. Hanapin na natin yung ano. Pero nakita ko na dito kanina eh. So ito, altitude. Okay, so diretso na tayo guys. Sir, saan po ang Co-Create Studio?
Dito po.
Dito po.
Sa taas po.
Alright, so dito na tayo sa elevator. Dito tayo pupunta. Co-Create. GoPro! Sorry na late, pero well, dito na tayo. So, excited lang. Unang gala ko after so mag-resign. Jesus.
This awesome question, looking at ideas, trends, all the way to observation. I think those are all very easy. Comes up with this all of that. What are you capable of doing? And that's why I put a very big stories, all you PowerPoint stories and clues and ideas. And last but not least, if you start thinking about why you're doing that, think about the context, how do you want to go there? So I'm going to break it down to you. First of all, storytelling. Every good story that you see, no matter short form, long form video, vlogs, podcasts, will have this element of story. And alright, next. Perspective. I'm always super excited to talk about perspective because I feel like this is probably one of the reasons why I bought a GoPro camera in the first place. So just to break it down to you, these are really like the 4 buckets of perspective that I'm thinking about.
Okay, we will send you your prize.
Okay, next up. Okay, I really hope these people are here. Next up. Who we have? Drum roll. Yeah!
Menu, come on now.
Menu, you like so sick.
I just have one word. Fierce. Really fierce.
Amazing.
Oh, that's nice. So, tingin muna tayo.
Okay, without further ado, drum rolls. Boom.
And I want to thank you guys for submitting. And I hope this does not stop you from submitting more GoPro clips because Hi Philippines, thank you so much.
Anything more you want to do, thank you to all of you, all the submissions. Insights and the page, you want to hit the raise check.
Soon, we cannot go home anymore.
Honest, I got the price for you. We always like to do it. We want to invite every selfie, group selfie. Okay, so come on up, we're gonna move it. Maybe should
Ma'am, thank you ulit ma'am. Thank you po.
Saan ka pa po umuwi?
Antipolo po.
Ah, at least.
Thank you po ulit. Create. So, altitude. Nakakuha tayo ng Gambi. Binigyan tayo ni Ron ng ND filters. Specifically for GoPro 8 tsaka 9. So, ano yung mga takeaway natin? Unang-una, kailangan talaga creative. Pero kailangan creative lang talaga. Creative, tapos organic, authentic. Like for example, yung simpleng smile. At saka, gusto din nila gumagamit ko ng features ng camera. Submit lang ng submit, baka mga chamba. Ayun, so thank you so much ulit sa pagsama mga paps. Again, this is your PapaEmo. Kita-kita tayo sa susunod natin na biyahe. And sana nandiyan pa kayo. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Alright? Yeah.